Hi everyone, this is Gayatri from Welltech Multitech Engineering College. The project is Secure Distance-Based Localization in the Presence of Cheating Beacon Nodes. Abstract is that secure distance-based localization in the presence of cheating beacon nodes is important problem in the wireless network. So this projects answer this bounded error due to some analytical approach. First, it shows that when the number of cheating beacon nodes is greater than or equal to a given threshold, it does not guarantee any bounded error. Otherwise, when the cheating beacon nodes is below the threshold, it guarantee a bounded localization error. So, which uses a three novel based distance based localization algorithm. They are polynomial time algorithm and two heuristic based algorithm. In existing system, location discovery is very problematic by using this polynomial time algorithm. So its performance is very low to address the malicious beacon to detect and prevent. It will be changed in the proposed system. In proposed system, which uses a three novel based localization algorithm, they are polynomial time as well as two heuristic based algorithm, which is useful for detect the class of bounded error distance based localization, so which is useful in the location discovery. This project contains three modules: localization, beacon nodes and data communication. Localization in the sense which is nothing but location discovery in the distributed wireless network. It is very problem to determining the location because some global coordinate system of your position. And beacon nodes is very important for the communication, which is used to communicate one boundary beacon to another, which is the main purpose of the beacon nodes. Data communication. Communication is the very important for the any communication medium, which is what is the data communication purpose of that? Other nodes first communicate the distance of the neighbor nodes, which is useful for the beacon nodes, which uses JavaFX for the GUI position. JavaFX is modern looking application with sophisticated graphical user interface, which makes GUI programming very easily. First, we give the enter the radius of the region, and then we process the next person. The region will placed in the corner. So we placing the regions in the desired position. Placing the regions inside the position will be very useful for the data communication. Placing beacon nodes is very important for the data communication to detect the malicious nodes. The line shows the data send path for the data communication. It is very important for the data communication. This line shows the path of the data communication. Then we enter the X and Y position for the malicious beacon nodes. Then the data will be sent from source to beacon and beacon to destination. It is very important for the data communication. Then the malicious beacon will be detected, which uses some heuristic based algorithm. X and Y position for that malicious is very important for the path of the data communication. The malicious node will be detected in the black color. Finally, it shows the data communication path and malicious node will be detected in the red color. Then the data will be sent from source to beacon, beacon to destination. Then it will be it performs some heuristic based algorithm. Then the malicious beacon node is detected in the red color. Then we use some multiple regions for that purpose and send data from one region to another region and check the malicious beacon nodes is detect or not. So which uses a heuristic based algorithm for that purpose. um, in this purpose we use two heuristic based algorithm which is very important for them detect the malicious beacon nodes. For the localization algorithm, location discovery is very important for today's wireless network processing. So we use polynomial time algorithm as well as two heuristic based algorithm. So which concludes the distance based localization is always needed for that purpose. It also have some future enhancements in this purpose. Thank you.